condensed glue gels and no white charcoal like kind of flooded over your crystals, it means that you use a little bit much condensed glue gel. You can using a little bit less.
You see how I'm not really
I
using
think you
that
will
much. It's
kick
not
this
at all.
one. And then this one can't see. No, but I move it down to Facebook. Then
My
this one.
luxury jar. I mean, I think I want to use something from the luxury charms.
Oh, yes, do it. Brazil, I want to see you do it.
Okay. I don't know
Please.
what I'm going to do.
You know what you are doing.
I
You're
don't know
always
what I'm
saying
going to
it,
do.
but you're like,
Okay,
you always
so
come up
that's
with some really cool design.
Oh, thank you. Okay, so this is my luxury jar. Metal pieces that I got. I haven't even used any of them yet from there. My nails are in there. So these are them. Really pretty. And this what this kind of reminded me of. So then since I had this available to use, now I'm like, okay, let's put that on there.
Yes. Look at that.
Okay, so let's see.
We should do another ones with like the big one. So then this one will feel not alone because it's a big one. Do the next one. Okay, do number 10. Here you go, number 10. And I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's all from color of the year 2021.
I do like a slider over here. It looks like out of stones. I don't know, it looks like this part a little bit.
Let me see, what are you doing?
Can you see?
Yes, I love it.
Let's see how it
Now I
turns
can see
out.
it. I'm adding a crystal AB SS3.
You know what this look needs? This look needs like a chain or something. I feel like it needs like some type of chain. So, what I got in here. This all goes together. All this stuff we got goes together. Definitely needs a chain reaction.
So I'm using both obsidians beads and a gold. I like them both.
Why is the black one, not the gold one? Yeah.
Was early. I saw Sharenda nails and Dawn nails really cool because they both have a really nice yellow flowers for color of the year.
Oh, really?
Yeah, there's like, is that the
Oh,
same
yeah, I did see that.
Sharenda? If you still there, is that the same flowers? Super cute or similar? One a triple petals, and then the other ones with the pearls look so gorgeous. They both like look so gorgeous. All right, so I really like this. It's super adorable. And I'm gonna wipe off the wax residues in just a second. I'm gonna flash key it first.
For the cutters. Get that on.
So this is number 10. I just did 2 big crystals, so then that way it looks like 3 of them in the middles and then 2 the big ones on the side. And we still have like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to go.
Yeah.
In the next like yeah.
You like it?
I'm gonna save it for next live. Dallas, how many nail did you have?
I have 7.
Ah, so gorgeous. I have 6, so I have 1 short.
Okay, we gotta do another one.
I have to do another one. Yes,
We gotta
1 more.
even it up.
I think, yeah, I have 6. All right. So I am going to wipe this off.